Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news from Jeep that's been making waves in the automotive world. That's right, we're talking about the possible return of the Jeep Liberty in 2025. Let's get into all the juicy details. If you're a fan of Jeep's rugged and versatile lineup, you'll remember that the Jeep Liberty was retired in 2012 and replaced by the Cherokee in 2014. But now, after years of speculation, it looks like Jeep's parent company, Stellantis, is hinting at a Liberty revival for international markets. This could be a huge deal for fans of the brand. The upcoming 2025 Jeep Liberty is rumored to share its platform with Jeep's other popular models like the Grand Cherokee and Cherokee. This means we can expect a unibody design that strikes a balance between off-road capability and on-road comfort, perfect for both city streets and backcountry adventures. Jeep is reportedly blending its classic rugged styling with modern touches for the Liberty. Expect to see some familiar Jeep cues, like the signature 7-slot grille, but with sportier, more contemporary lines. The headlights will likely feature sleek LED technology, possibly vertical or integrated into the grille for a futuristic look. And the taillights? Thinner, flatter, and more dynamic, a great way to modernize the rear end while staying true to Jeep's heritage. Size-wise, the Liberty is expected to keep its bold and rugged dimensions, with short front and rear overhangs to improve both handling and off-road performance. Functionality and aesthetics are clearly taking center stage here. Under the hood, we're expecting a range of efficient and powerful engine options. Think turbocharged 2.0L to 2.5L engines, and even diesel options ranging from 2.2L to 3.0L for those who need extra torque. Plus, given the shift in the industry, a hybrid model could also be in the works, combining an electric motor with traditional power for better fuel economy and city driving. So, what do you think about the potential return of the Jeep Liberty? Are you excited to see how Jeep reinvents this iconic model? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.